Hey everybody, it's Giovanni from Options Trading Channel. I just wanted to do a quick trade recap. I'm sorry that I didn't catch this trade live on camera or that I even recorded it. It was a quick trade, spur of the moment. In fact, I was out and about doing stuff for my day job and I rushed back to the office so that I could place this trade. Really quick, this is the trade. I placed them on both the Apex funded accounts and my TopStep accounts. And I gotta let you know, there's a part of this trade of this day that I'm kicking myself. And God, I was such an idiot. But this is the trade. I initially got in at $23,447 even, and I exited the trade. I bought back at $23,387. So what, 40, 50, 60 points there. And then greed really set in. You can see this trade here. I lost about 14, 15 points. And it was greed. It was FOMO and it was greed. And gosh, I really am irritated at that fact that I got back in it and I lost. But I made most of my money back that I lost yesterday, so I'm really happy about that. Really proud of that. And then you can also see this trade. I got a better fill on these two accounts on TopStep. And then again, I traded this, but this was a break-even trade, and so I didn't lose any money there. Let's go to the trading view charts. I want to show you why I traded why I placed this trade. Alrighty, hope you can see that. Let's go to the main charts. You can see here, I got a bunch of lines here. Let's ignore that one. Let's ignore that one. This was the premise of my trade. I took the consequent encroachment of this wick, which is the 50% line, and let's go to the 1 minute. It's right here. It went up to it, and that sparked the downturn. Now, there's other things that might have been involved, Fed, whatnot. It doesn't matter. What actually happened internally, fundamentally, doesn't really matter. It's literally just the price action. And so it went up there, came back down. I was watching it on my phone away from my desk, and I saw this SIBI. I was hoping that the market was going to go up here, and it never did. It never did. And so this was the SIBI that I actually traded. And there you go. Well, that's exactly what happened. Now, because of what happened afterwards, I was curious to see if I can spot any points of interest, POIs, as to why I would have traded this long. And I did notice, let's go back to the daily chart. I took this wick here on the daily, and I also got the consequent encroachment of this wick, which is right there. And let's zoom in on the 1 minute. Now I'm kind of going through this fast, and I apologize, but I just really want to get to the meat of this. And I'm hoping that it helps you at home see what I like to see. And it hit it dead on right there, and that it went up. Now, this is a small BISI. I wouldn't have even counted that as a possible entry. If you were really good and really convinced, you could have traded this BISI and you would have been just fine. You would have almost gotten stopped out there. Never did, and it never looked back. Essentially, you would have been getting in here or here, perfect entries, and just to see what it would have done if you got here, bring your stop loss to here, and then I would have taken it to that high. That's a 167-point winner. It's so much. That's so many points. But There it is, guys. I just wanted to bring to your attention not only the trade that I made today, which I'm glad that it was green, but the bonehead move that I made. FOMO and greed really set in, hoping to squeeze out more. Not good. Learn from my mistakes. Don't do what I do. And I'm going to try to learn from my own mistakes as well. And yeah, there you go, guys. Thank you so much for watching today's recap video. I greatly appreciate it. See you here on the very next trading video. See you guys later.